In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks using the magic eraser tool in Canva. This is a great technique if you're looking to clean up your images and achieve a professional finish. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end you know exactly how to do it yourself. First off, you'll want to locate the image you wish to edit. Open up Canva and click on your image. You should have it saved in your designs, or if not, you can upload it directly into Canva. It's important to select the correct image, so make sure you have it ready before proceeding. Once you've clicked on your image, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see the Edit button. This is where all your editing capabilities come into play. By clicking on Edit, you'll open up a suite of tools that Canva offers for tweaking and refining your visual content. Don't worry if it seems complicated at first, we'll break it down into simple steps. Here's where the magic really happens. In the editing options, you'll need to select the Magic Eraser tool. However, there's an important note here. You need to be subscribed to Canva Pro to use this feature. If you're not yet a Canva Pro user and you think this tool will be helpful, it may be worth considering an upgrade. The Magic Eraser is designed to effortlessly remove unwanted elements from your images, and it's quite intuitive to use once you get the hang of it. After selecting the Magic Eraser, you should see a transformation cursor appear. Now carefully highlight that area of your image where the watermark is located. You want to ensure that you cover the watermark precisely, but without selecting areas you wish to keep. The eraser is quite smart, but guiding it correctly will help achieve a cleaner result. With the watermark highlighted, simply click on Erase. You'll notice that the watermark disappears right before your eyes, leaving behind a cleaner and more professional looking image. Sometimes you might need to adjust slightly, perhaps by repeating the erasure if any residue remains, or making minor tweaks until you're satisfied with the result. This simple yet effective technique can vastly improve the quality of your images and give you greater control over your visual content. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with these tools, the more proficient you'll become. So feel free to explore other features Canva offers and keep elevating your design skills to new heights. That's it for today's tutorial. Keep experimenting and we'll see you in the next video.